Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now this is our second video in neural network classification series. Now see here in our last video we have learned about this classification problem, right? There are binary classification, multi-class classification, right? And how the input is taken and then how it is converted to tensor and then how it is converted to again the output, right? Now let's move ahead. Here is the architecture of classification neural network. You can see here we create so many hidden layers while creation of the network, right? Now as you can see here, the activation, loss functions, optimizers, these are all the functions that we run while running the while making the use of PyTorch, right? I will show you each and everything in a technical way, so don't worry about that. Then you see here this image you can see neural. So this is called neural. So everything is done with the help of neurals only, right? So that is why it is called as neural network. So this neurals plays very important role here. Now as you can see here in the smaller model, here you can see the in feature and out feature. We create hidden layers, right? Hidden layers. So for this we have to provide the values like in feature 3, out features 128. Now this output becomes input here in feature 128, that means next repetition. And 256 we have given out features. Similarly this 256 comes as a in feature. So in a repetitive way, it's a repetitive way, and after that it refines the decisions and then it shows, right? Now this we have used in our code, so I will show you. Now let's see this also, linearity and non-linearity. In this is called the linear data, and that is called the non-linear data. While look at this testing data, training data, and the prediction. In the prediction also, these neural networks are used. These neurals are used. That is why you can see here the linear data and the non-linear data. The neural constantly repeats the iterations, and then with help of this, these predictions are made. Right? I will show you one more example on this in upcoming videos. Now you can see here linear activation, sigmoid activation, and the ReLU activation. Here what you see, whatever the values are in negative, it converts them into zero, right? It comes like look at this 0 0 0 0 0, and after that, but it is not going below this line. So whatever the values are there, negative values, they are converted into zeros first, and after that the formula is applied. Now you see here steps of modeling with PyTorch. There are different steps of modeling. For example, loss, how wrong your model is predictions, a model's prediction and compared to the truth level. Then optimizer, how your model should update its internal pattern. That means whatever the internal pattern is given, it should work accordingly. And then epochs, how many times the model go through all the training examples. So this was all about the modeling with PyTorch. Now you can see here these are some formulas: accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix. So all these codes, they will be utilized in our upcoming videos when we will see each and everything in a practical way, right? Right now, just for information, you can just have a look on this: accuracy, precision, recall, few F1 codes, confusion matrix like this. So guys, this was all about the remaining part of this, that whatever we have seen so far. These are the architecture of a classical classification neural network, right? Then you can see here this is the neural, right? And it plays an important role. After that, You can see in this linear largest model, since this is a larger model and the smaller model. So here you can see in the function we provide the information like this, in feature and out feature. So this in depth we will understand in our next video. After that, you can see regression and prediction. Prediction is done on this only. Then you can see non-linear activation function. So whatever the negative values are there of the line, so those are converted into zero. So that is why you can see here this type of curve is created. Okay, and these are the codes which are used, and in the backend these formulas will be executed. Right, friend. So we will see all these things in our next upcoming videos, right? And guys, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification. And thank you guys. And in next video, we will see practical work. Thanks for watching the video.